Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to find the Gmail storage section on your PC with the latest updates. If you've ever wondered how much storage you have left or want to manage your space better, stick around as we guide you through the simple steps. First, start by opening your preferred web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Now that you're in your inbox, take a moment to look around. From any page within Gmail, scroll down to the very bottom of the screen. You'll notice some important information about your account, including your storage status. Next, pay attention to the storage numbers displayed at the bottom. These numbers show how much storage you're currently using versus your total available space. Go ahead and click on those storage numbers. And there you go. Clicking on the storage numbers will take you directly to the storage page. Here, you can see a detailed breakdown of your storage usage across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. This is a great way to manage your storage effectively and decide whether you need to delete some emails, photos, or files. That's it. You've successfully navigated to the Gmail storage section on your PC. This quick and easy process helps you keep track of your storage without any hassle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.